What's happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 250! Quarter century, very happy about this, and I'm glad I picked this one. So, yesterday's video, 249. I want to apologize. I have no idea how the sound and the video screwed up. A friend of mine reached out to me and said that I look like an old Japanese ninja movie where they were doing bad dubbing, which might be a thing for people. So, I'm hoping that it won't happen again. No idea how that happened. But that being said, what do I have today for number 250? What could be so special that it makes my number 250? Something that could completely change the way we look at BC Spirits. Well, maybe not that, but at least it's a really good one. And that is the Stillhead Rye Whisky. Small batch casks, only 236 bottles. So Brennan, I know, has been working on this for a really long time. I had to write down everything because it's very specific. And I'm kind of feeling like, while it is a rye whiskey and everybody's like, oh, it's going to be a Canadian whiskey. I'm definitely feeling a very big European expression on this. I'm feeling what would happen if European distilleries, whether it be Scotch or English or Irish, made a rye whiskey back in the day. And I'm talking back in the day. I'm not talking about now. I'm not talking about back in the day, because when I start reading out the mash bill and whatnot, you're going to really start seeing what I'm talking about, because it is super unique. I've just cracked it. I've just taken the top off. I have not tasted this yet. What you see is going to be my first taste. So 80% unmalted rye. That's an interesting one to start with. 20% malted barley. Then it gets 2 years in ex-bourbon barrels, and then 1 year in a mixture of ex-American oak that's housed maple syrup and ex-port barrels. So you're getting this sort of like very European, québécois, Canadian sort of vibe to this. I'm very, very interested in this one because I know how hard Brennan's worked on this one. I know how much of a whiskey nerd he is. So I'm looking forward to this sort of like crazy, twisted sort of mash bill / aging process that he's sort of done. Color's fantastic. It's like a beautiful deep red, and I'm colorblind, so it's like a beautiful, beautiful brick red to me. Oh, no, there's that Canadiana. Definitely not what I was expecting on the nose. Really nice spice on the nose. Dusty, musty sort of spice. Now, when I tell you my tasting notes for a lot of these things, this is my personal thing. I grew up very differently than you grew up. I grew up transporting bales of peanut hay and like those sort of things. Hay and those sort of things is something that's in my vernacular. On the nose, wow. Fresh rain. And then that beautiful musty, dusty spice. And perturbed, beguiled, and curious. On the palate it is completely and utterly unique compared to all the other Canadian ryes and like BC ryes I've tasted. You're getting that big sweet vanilla that you get from those American oaks. You're just getting a hint of maple. And I always want to say like maple bark, that dried maple sap sort of feel. It's not like sweet maple. And then that port, you know, my love of wine, you love my love of sherry finished whiskeys, just gives it this beautiful roundness. I'm staggered. I really am. Like, I think they've taken their time. They've really done a great blend. And this is a really different yet unique, fantastic rye whiskey from Stillhead. Like, I couldn't have thought of something better for 250. 249 was fucking epic though. 249 was great from Okanagan Spirits. These two are in the same sort of realm. Sherry bomb yesterday, port bomb today. Guys, if you can get some, there's only 237 bottles. Go to the website, go to Stillhead's website, see if you can pick up some. This is fantastic rye whiskey. They've done a really great job in taking their time, picking the right barrels, and doing a fantastic job. So, thanks as always for the support, guys. Hope you had a good Christmas. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.